Diaphragmatic breathing is easiest to do when you're lying on your back. And if you imagine that this is the balloon and this is the neck of the balloon. So what do you fill up first? You fill up the belly of the balloon and the air just goes through the neck is the last to fill. That's the same for diaphragmatic breathing. So if you loosely interlace your fingers right over the base of your rib cage, when you take a deep breath, the goal is that your hands will separate because you filled the balloon, and when you exhale, they'll come back together. Okay, so then it's going to be a and it's very easy to do when you're lying on your back. So always imagine you're filling here first. Once you master that, you want to switch to sitting because it's harder to do when you're doing against gravity. You still want to use the same principle of loosely interlacing your fingers. Be upright because a slouch posture is exactly why we've lost the ability to breathe from our diaphragm. So it's here. The shoulders will raise a bit, but that should be the last part to move when you do your inhale. And of course, the hardest is when you're standing. You're gonna work the same principle of inhaling, exhaling, but you want this to be able to carry over when you're running or working out because that's the hardest to do, is to breathe from here and not up here when you're exerting.